Welcome to another trip report. The flight KLM 1751 from Amsterdam to Hamburg. Flight time 43 minutes.
Wait for our pushback truck. This will take another 5 to 10 minutes. Thereafter, 15 minutes taxi time, flying time 45 minutes. And what is flying time? I do expect to arrive at our scheduled arrival time in Hamburg, which is 5 to 8 local time. The weather over there, it's more or less the same as in Amsterdam. Partly clouded at the moment and 11 degrees Celsius. I do not expect a change to the arrival time, so I won't disturb you any further from the flight deck. I wish you a pleasant flight.
Goedemorgen en welkom aan boord van KLM City op vlucht naar bestemming Hamburg. Bijzonder welkom voor onze Flying Blue leden. Welkom terug. De vluchtduur zal ongeveer 45 minuten bedragen. Over enkele ogenblikken zullen we uitleg geven over de veiligheid aan boord. Tevens zullen we alle overige mededelingen in het Engels doen. Once again, good morning and welcome aboard this KLM City over flight to Hamburg. Special welcome to our Flying Blue members. Welcome back. Our flying time today will be approximately 45 minutes. In a few moments, we will explain the safety procedures on board of this aircraft. To respect everyone's privacy, it is not allowed to photograph or film passengers or crew without their permission. We wish you a very pleasant flight.
Hello everyone. This time it's a flight to Hamburg on Saturday morning, August 23rd, 2025. KLM 1751, flight operated by KLM Cityhopper, plane registration PHEXJ, Ember 175 from Amsterdam Gate, B24 to Hamburg to Gate, C8 flight time, 43 minutes, scheduled departure time 6:55 a.m., actual departure time 7:04 a.m., scheduled time of arrival 7:55 a.m., landed 7:47 a.m.
out. Thank you for choosing KLM. On behalf of the entire crew, we wish you a pleasant stay, perhaps a welcome home, or a safe onward journey. Have a wonderful day, and we hope to see you again next time.
Ferry crew, disarm flights.
Reisboot. On behalf of the whole crew, I would like to welcome you on board on this flight to Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. Unfortunately, a bit delayed today as the aircraft came in a bit delayed from Amsterdam. We are now almost fully ready to start our flight to Amsterdam. We take another approximately 5 more minutes before we will be fully ready, including have given permission to start the engines, and then we will be on our way to Amsterdam. We have a flying time of 45 minutes to Amsterdam, and we are aware that many of you will have onboard connections out of Amsterdam, so we will do our utmost best to minimize any more delay as much as possible. 15 minutes before the landing we will receive information on your connecting flights out of Amsterdam, and as soon as we have that information we will share that with you, of course. Also during the flight we will be back with the landing time and arrival gate for Amsterdam. And for this moment, despite the late departure, I still hope you'll have a pleasant flight with us to Amsterdam.
A very good evening. My name is Natasja van der Berg, and on behalf of the entire crew I wish you a warm welcome on this flight to Amsterdam. Our flying time today is 45 minutes. We would like to extend a special welcome to our Flying Blue members. In a moment I would like to explain a few things about the safety on board. And out of respect for everyone's privacy, you must get permission from passengers or crew before taking photographs or videos, and we wish you a pleasant flight. Een hele goede avond. Mijn naam is Natasja van der Berg en namens de gehele crew heet ik u hartelijk welkom op deze vlucht naar Amsterdam. Onze vliegtijd vandaag is 45 minuten. Een bijzonder welkom voor onze Flying Blue deelnemers. Graag wil ik u iets vertellen over de veiligheidsinstructies aan boord. Om ieders privacy te respecteren is toestemming nodig van passagiers of crew voor het maken van een foto of film. Vanaf nu doen wij mededelingen voornamelijk in het Engels en wij wensen u een goede vlucht.
Hello, everyone. This time, it's a flight to Amsterdam on Sunday evening, August 24th, 2025. KLM 1758, flight operated by KLM, plane registration PHB-XM, Boeing 737-800 from Hamburg, gate C7 to Amsterdam, gate C12, flight time 43 minutes, scheduled departure time 6:35 p.m., actual departure time 7:17 p.m., scheduled time of arrival 7:40 p.m., landed 8 p.m., a view of a catastrophic fire in the landing area. This huge fire is from a caravan storage in Aalsmeer, the Netherlands.
Pleasure having you on board with us today. We wish you a good stay in the Netherlands or a pleasant onward journey. We hope to see you again soon. Welkom in Nederland. Blijft u alstublieft nog even zitten met uw stoelriemen vast totdat de verlichtingsstoelriemen vast uit is. En op bij het openen van de bagagebakken er kunnen spullen verschoven zijn en eruit vallen. U kunt nu de netwerkverbinding op uw telefoon weer aanzetten. Andere elektronische apparaten moeten opgeborgen blijven totdat we bij de gate aankomen.
Flight.
Thanks to watching. Don't forget to like, comments, and to subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing contents with us.